Today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to accessorize, and I'm going to share with you some really cool ways to repurpose something that may have been sitting in the bottom of your cupboard for years. If you'd like to know more, please keep watching. Hi, I'm Shelley. This is Fabulous 50s, a lifestyle channel that celebrates women in their 50s. And if you're a woman in your 50s, click subscribe and click the bell and you'll be alerted every time there's a new video. So today we're going to talk about how to accessorize. But the first rule of style is to wear what you love and have fun with it. And you're over 50, so you can do whatever you like. But here's some tips that I'd like to share with you and some things that can make or break an outfit. Tip number one, go out and find a statement piece. A statement piece is something that kind of is, wow, you've got some jewelry on. You love it and the color is great and it might be silver or gold or colored, but it just looks great on you and it's probably big. I've chosen this. This was really inexpensive, but I love the colors. It's a statement. I love it and it makes me feel good. Now, this is really important. When you're wearing a statement piece like this, that's it. This owns the show. This is all that's needed. If you go ahead and add earrings, big earrings, to this look, it looks too much. It's just busy and you look completely overdone. This is too much going on. And then if I added a ring as well, hey, there's way too much going on. So rule of thumb is big earrings, you can wear a big ring, or, you know, I've got this kind of a ring as well. So hands and ears is great, and some bracelets, but don't do all three together. And if you're wearing a big necklace, just have that part of your face lit up, and then you can wear a ring and that'll just be perfect. If you're wearing something big like this, go ahead and wear some tiny earrings if you like, if you love wearing earrings. If I'm just wearing these little tiny pearls, they're not going to compete with the big statement piece. So keep to those rules and you'll be perfect. Tip number two, wear something that will bring the eye down. Anything that goes down makes us appear longer and slimmer. So it's a great tip. This is also a statement piece because it's big. So again, I wouldn't wear the matching earrings like these ones because this is enough. If you have a look when I put the earrings on, it's just like, they might look nice, but it's just a little bit too much and overdone. And so I'd take these off and just wear this. I could also, with this outfit, just wear a beautiful statement ring like this, and that would set this off really nicely. Or I could wear something like a band on my arm. So this is really inexpensive and easy to wear. You don't wear too much, so just like this and that's enough. I could also layer this with a couple of bracelets, just little elastic bracelets, and that would be really good as well. So here's the thing, keep it long, keep the eye going down if you want to appear taller and slimmer. And this is a good way to do it. I'll show you another way, just another version of this. Okay, here's another way to layer to add length, and it's making me look taller. So I like the rule of three different layers, but you can do whatever you like. This is just something that you could try. And this top one can be, you know, it can be any height at all. They can all be any height. See the difference when I just adjust them and you get a different look? So I'm sure you've got things at home that you could layer in threes and straight away your eye goes down and you look taller. It's the best trick in the world. So see what you've got at home and give this a try. Now I've taken the lengthening neck piece away and just wearing the earrings. and bracelet, it's a completely different look, but the eye isn't drawing down, it's just staying up here, which is great. It's just different ways to wear accessories to really accentuate the look. My third tip is probably my most favorite. It's so cool. It's repurposing what you're not using anymore. So here's a great example. This is my mum's wedding ring that she left me when she passed away. And I love it, but it doesn't fit and it's not my style. So here's a really cool way that you can use something that may have been left to you, or that you don't, a ring that you don't wear on your finger anymore. I already had this, it's a choker. I don't really wear this much anymore, but what I thought about is adding this ring to the center of the choker, and you can just sew a little black thread to attach it, and you've got a piece of beautiful homemade special to you jewellery. It has a lot of sentimental value and it's completely unique. No one else in the world will be wearing this. So this is a really cool trick. If you've got one of your mum's or grandmother's rings or an old ring you don't wear anymore, give this a try. Okay, here's another cool thing you can do with the ring. You can get 2 pieces of leather, so you loop it like this, put it into the middle of the ring, and loop it through. Just like that. Same on the other side. Loop like this through the ring and pull that through like this. So you can put it on and make a choker. It's so simple. It's really modern. It's timeless. And for me, this is my mum, so I love wearing it. And again, it's unique. No one in the world has this piece of jewellery. Another way to wear this exact same piece is to take off one of your layers of leather and just simply put it around your neck and wear it at whatever length you like. And again, if I was wearing it this way, I would layer it with 2 other pieces of different lengths to make me look longer and taller. How cool is that? Okay, here's another cool thing that I've done. This beautiful pendant I got when I was probably in my early 20s, and my husband gave it to me and I love it. But I've had it for so long and it's on a really fine chain and I just didn't like wearing it anymore. This piece of silk came as is, but you could use leather or silk. And what I've done is I've put it here, so I wrap it around my neck once and bring it down. I'll show you. Okay, so I wrap it around my neck and I've got this left over. And I can either tie it just like that, and the 2 different lengths here of the silver bits on the end is going to bring the eye down and make me look taller. This is really cool and it's something different, and this piece here has a lot of sentimental value and I'm not wearing it the ordinary way. So that's good. So another way to wear this is to tie it around and put a bow and take the bow off to the side a little bit, just for something different, and still got something coming down so it's lengthening. It's different. I made it myself, and you have probably got a whole lot of things in your jewellery cupboard or jewellery drawer that you can repurpose and wear time and time again in a new way. So I'd like to say thank you to Vanessa Kennedy, who is my jeweller, and she went through a few of these ideas with me the other day. And thank you to all of you beautiful ladies for watching. Have fun with your style, have fun accessorising, and have a great week.